Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna do a few project share videos. The first one is with Andy's shop, and this is the name that he has on Instagram, and I will post the links in the description bar anyway. But this is my first project. Look how freaking cute. So it's a little treat box with the window. I added trim for like the little curtain. This pom-pom was made by Olga, and she is For the Love of Crafts on Instagram. She's also here on YouTube. Super cute, right? And the box itself is 4 inches by almost 3. And it's a nice size. So let's say you're going to open it up. It opens like this. And then you add your treats inside. See? It's a nice size. It's super cute. Let's just close it back up. Look how cute. It's adorable. You can add vellum to it. Do your little curtains. I thought it was so cute. So that's one. Then I did this bow, which, let me see how I'm going to show it to you guys. So it looks like that. And it's basically, it's kind of like a candy bowl, really whatever you want to use it for. I'm using it like to put little treats. It's perfect to wrap it up with like that cellophane paper. A good idea for Mother's Day. Add candy. Look how cute. And this one was very easy to do. Nicole has a video on how to put this together. So I will link that also. Look. It's adorable. It's a nice size. Let me see. Tall is... I'm trying to do it so my candies don't spill. You know what? You get the picture. Okay, so it's almost 4 inches tall and about 5 inches wide. And you see, this piece, you don't need that piece if you don't want to. And you could put more candy if you want. But I did. I put that there. And then you can use paper clips or whatever you want on your desk. And that die, oh, I forgot to show you. So this is the die for the little treat box. It's a nice size. It fits in your standard cutting machine. Super cute. And then this die, like I was shocked. Like it looks small, right? But look, it creates a nice size candy bowl. Picture that on your desk with, you know, whatever you want inside. I just think it looks so nice with the tissue paper and the candy. You wrap that up, you leave that on someone's desk at your work. Look how cute. Super, super cute. So these are my 2 projects for Andy's shop. Let me know which one's your favorite. And I'll be back for more, and I will talk to you later. Bye.